Hello everyone, and welcome back to our MySQL Beginner to Pro series. In today's video, we'll learn about group by and having clauses in MySQL with practical examples. We'll see how to group data and how to filter grouped results using aggregate functions. Let's get started. Table recap. First, let's quickly recap the table we created in the previous video. We had created an employees table with the following columns: EMP ID, EMP name, department, salary, city. And we also added some sample data into it. Let's check it once. Query: select all from employees. Great, our data is ready. What is group by clause? The group by clause is used to group rows with the same values in a specific column. It's mostly used with aggregate functions like sum, AVG, count, etc. This helps us to summarize our data department-wise, city-wise, or any other grouping. Group by syntax. Here's the basic syntax. Select column name, aggregate function of column name, from table name, group by column name. Example, group by clause. Let's find the total salary department-wise. Query: select department, comma, sum of salary from employees, group by department. See, total salary for each department is displayed. What is having clause? Now, what if we want to filter the grouped results? Like, only show those departments where total salary is more than 100,000. For this, we use the having clause. It's similar to where, but where works before grouping and having works after grouping. Having syntax. The syntax looks like this. Select column name, aggregate function of column name, from table name, group by column name, having condition. Example, having clause. Now let's find the departments where total salary is greater than 100,000. Query: select department, sum, salary from employees, group by department having sum salary greater than 10,000. And there you go, only the qualifying departments are shown. Difference between where and having. Let's understand the difference. Where clause filters records before grouping, having clause filters after grouping. Where can't use aggregate functions, but having can. Some important interview questions from this topic. What is the use of group by clause? Can you use having without group by? Difference between where and having clause. Can you apply multiple aggregate functions with group by? What's next? And that's it for today's video. In the next episode, we'll learn about joins in MySQL, how to combine data from multiple tables using inner join, left join, right join, and full join with practical examples. So don't